Assemblies in Zenventory represent a build-to-stock scenario where you prepare the new finished product in advance of any orders for it. If you are looking for a build-to-order functionality, use the Kits and Bundles feature instead. Kits and bundles are assembled during the fulfillment process rather than in advance. The Assemble Now feature allows for a simple one-step assembly process, where the assembly is started and finished in one session by a single user. If your need is for a two-step assembly process where work orders are tracked, see our video on creating an assembly with a work order instead. This video will demonstrate how to create an assembly without a work order. Begin at the Inventory section and select Assemble Item in the submenu. Search for the specific item you would like to build by entering the SKU or description into the Items to Assemble field. Choose a quantity of the assembly to build. Click Assemble Now. A work order will print the list of components needed along with their location, and the assembly is considered complete. Inventory is deducted for the components and inventory is added for the new finished products automatically.